Allison. I'm a decluttering expert, and while I definitely think that you can declutter one thing a day and you'll definitely make progress, if you're doing something like a drawer, it kind of makes sense to do the whole thing at once. So what I wanted to do is actually do both of these drawers, because I know that there are things that should go here and there are things that should go here. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take everything out and I'm going to put like things together. So, yeah, you don't need to see this. Okay, so one of the things that I like to do is have a trash can nearby so I can easily throw everything into the trash. And then what I'm going to do is, since everything is empty, I'm going to make sure that it's clean, because you might as well. So I'm going to dump anything that doesn't belong and all the dust in there, and then just give it a quick wipe down, and then I can put it back in. And now, as you've seen, I've sorted like things together. This is a pile of I don't know what this is and most likely needs to be thrown out. Otherwise, it's, you know, toiletries or, you know, things that I use most often, just things that, you know, make sense to me being put together. So that what I'm going to do next is I'm going to put the things that make the most sense to me in this drawer because it's closest to me. And then I'm going to put the things that I need less often in this drawer, because that way it's going to be easier for me to grab what I need. But then I've got the next storage where if I do need it, I know exactly where it is, but it's a little bit more of a reach. Okay, so the things that I'm putting in the most often used drawer: chapsticks, like, you know, natural pain relievers, thermometer, tissues, dental floss, and nail files, because I definitely use those the most often. This is also an eyeglass cleaner, and I can use that really often. You know, a lot of this other stuff, I don't need it as often. I don't know why there's sealant fix here. I'm not even sure what it's for. That's either gonna go in my tool case or just thrown out. And this cuticle oil I've owned for, oh God, maybe 20 years now. So it's time to let it go because I clearly never use it. So this is gonna go in the pile of I don't know what this is, or I definitely haven't used it. So these are bags that I can use as trash bags. I actually use this mirror a lot. These things can go in here. This actually still works, so I can keep that here. But like, I have two things, I don't even know what these belong to. So if I can't figure it out, then they're gonna go into the trash. So it's pretty easy. Just, you know, always put things that you use the most often, the closest to you, so that you're not constantly reaching. And then you can use another drawer for extended storage of things that you don't use as often. I hope this helps. Like, follow. If you have anything to say, please add it in the comments. And if you're getting stuck on trying to declutter and get organized and find a system that actually works for you, my virtual program can definitely help you with that, offer the guidance and support and motivation that you need. So link in bio or DM me and let's get started.